Hello, dear learners. Today I'm not going to teach you grammar in the usual way. I'm going to help you notice and understand it naturally because today, as we follow NEP 2020, we believe that learning is not memorizing rules, it is understanding and using language in real life. So, today we will observe, think, and learn together. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine this, you are standing in your school ground. You see 20 students are playing, 10 birds are flying, 5 cows are eating grass. Now think carefully. Will you say student 1 is playing, student 2 is playing again and again? Or will you say something simple and natural? Yes, you will say a group of students is playing. Let's look at more examples. A flock of birds is flying. A herd of cows is grazing. In all these sentences, we are talking about many members, but we are using one word to represent the group. Words like group, flock, herd are called collective nouns. Now notice something very important. Students are playing. Here, subject is plural. A group is playing. Here subject is singular. So the verb depends on the main word. If the main word is plural, we use are. If the main word is a collective noun, use is. Sheetal went to her village. She saw a team of farmers is working in the field. A herd of cows is moving slowly. A family is sitting together for dinner. She did not count each person or animal. She used one word to describe the whole group. That is how we use collective nouns in real life. Usually, children make one common mistake like people is coming. No, it should be people are coming because people represent a group of individuals. But a group of people is coming. Why? Because group is a collective noun. Even though it contains many people, it is treated as singular. Why is? The verb is coming is used because the subject group is a singular collective noun. So we use singular verb is. Remember here, of people is a prepositional phrase which give extra information about the group. It is not a subject and it does not affect the verb. Now let's move to another situation. You wake up in the morning. What all things you do? Brush your teeth, carry your school bag, wait at the bus stop. Now listen carefully to these words. Toothbrush, school bag, bus stop. Do you notice something interesting? These words are made by joining two words together. Tooth plus brush, toothbrush. School plus bag, school bag. Bus plus stop, bus stop. When two or more words come together and create a new meaning, we call them compound nouns. Let's understand this properly. A toothbrush is not just a tooth, it is not just a brush. It is a new object with a specific use. A bus stop is not just two separate words, it is a place where buses stop. Now observe carefully. Some words join completely, like toothbrush, bedroom, and some words stay separate, like school bag, bus stop. Some words are joined with a hyphen, like mother in law. You don't need to force it, like where to use hyphen and where not to use. You will learn these forms naturally through usage. Let's see. CV is getting ready for school. She uses her toothbrush, packs her school bag, waits at the bus stop. She is not thinking about grammar, but she is using it correctly. That is the real goal of learning English. But still, I'll give you some tips. When it becomes a common word, it is joined like notebook, toothpaste, etc. When words are still independent, we use separate words like bus stop, ice cream. And when we need clarity before a noun like well-known teacher. See, again I will say there is no fixed usage of this. When there is a confusion, check a dictionary. Now let's do the recap. Collective noun. It is one word that represents a group. For example, team, family, herd. Compound noun. Two or more words that create one idea. For example, bedroom, ice cream. Now it's your turn. Make your own sentences. Use a collective noun in one sentence. Use a compound noun in another sentence. Write them in the comments because language improves when you use it daily. Language is not only grammar, it teaches us unity when many becomes one, like collective nouns, and creativity, like when words combine, like compound nouns. So today, you didn't just learn grammar, you learned how to observe language, how to think about it, how to use it correctly in real life. And that is true learning. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe. And remember, English is not about memorizing rules. It is about understanding and using them naturally. See you in the next class. Bye.